Lemko Language, Lesson 5, Cardinal Numbers 0 to 100. Lemkівський язик, 5 лекція, кількісне числовники 0 до 100. Numbers 0 through 10. 0. 0 means 0. Jeden. Jeden means 1. 2. 2 means 2. 3. 3 means 3. 4. 4 means 4. 5. 5 means 5. 6. 6 means 6. 7. 7 means 7. 8. 8 or alternatively 8. 8 means 8. 9. 9 means 9. 10. 10 means 10. Numbers 11 through 20. Jedenáct. Jedenáct means 11. Dvanáct. Dvanáct means 12. Třináct. Třináct means 13. Čtrnáct. Čtrnáct means 14. Pětnáct. Pětnáct means 15. Šestnáct. Šestnáct means 16. Sedmnáct. Sedmnáct means 17. Osmnáct. Osmnáct or alternatively osmnáct. Osmnáct means 18. Devětnáct. Devětnáct means 19. Dvacet. Dvacet means 20. Numbers 30 through 100. Třicet. Třicet means 30. Sorok. Sorok or alternatively čtyřdesát. Čtyřdesát means 40. Pětdesát. Pětdesát means 50. Šestdesát. Šestdesát means 60. Šimdesát. Šimdesát means 70. Vísemdesát. Vísemdesát or alternatively osmdesát. Osmdesát means 80. Devětdesát. Devětdesát means 90. Sto. Sto means 100. Forming numbers. Forming numbers in Lemko is similar to that in English. For example, 50 is пятьдесят and 4 is cztery. So to say 54 is 54. Some more examples include the following. 23 is 23. 23. 76 is 76. 76. 99 is 99. 99. Numbers before a noun. The numbers 1 and 2 in Lemko have various forms if they are used to describe a noun. First, we'll go over the 4 ways how to say the number 1 when a noun follows. Jeden. Jeden is used for masculine nouns. Jeden den. Jeden den. 1 day. Jedno. Jedno is used for neuter nouns. Jedno jabłko. Jedno jabłko. 1 apple. Jedna. Jedna is used for feminine nouns. Jedna chyża. Jedna chyża. 1 house. Jedny. Jedny is used for nouns that only have a plural form. Jedne huśli. Jedne huśli. 1 violin. Next, we'll go over the 2 different ways to say the number 2 when a noun follows. Dwa. Dwa is used for any noun that is not feminine. Dwa jabłka. Dwa jabłka. 2 apples. Dwie. Dwie is used for feminine nouns. Dwie chyże. Dwie chyże. 2 houses. In addition, the Lemko word for both follows the same rules for the number 2 when a noun follows. Oba. Oba, or alternatively, obydwa. Obydwa is used for any noun that is not feminine. Oba jabłka. Oba jabłka, or alternatively, obydwa jabłka. Obydwa jabłka. Both apples. Obie. Obie, or alternatively, obidwi. Obidwi is used for feminine nouns. Obie chyże. Obie chyże, or alternatively, obidwi chyże. Obidwi chyże. Both houses. This concludes Lesson 5. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.